Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create a scatter plot, and also on the scatter plot, from the points that we get, we will be able to come up with a line of best fit. The line of best fit is now called the regression line, okay, and which I will also show you guys how to create the regression line. Okay, so when we were in primary or maybe middle school, we learned how to create scatter plots, right? So what we will have is a bunch of data. So over here, we're investigating to see if temperature actually affects this ice cream sales. So my hypothesis would be the warmer the weather, the higher the temperature, the more sales I will have. Okay, so here I have a total of 12 data. So maybe this could be the average temperature of the month, right? And then the average sales of the month, right? And then what I do is I'm just going to convert this table onto this XY plane. On my x-axis I have temperature, my y-axis I have my ice cream sales. All right, so I want to see if the temperature is going to affect my ice cream sales. Okay, so right now you see the first one is 12, almost 12 degrees Celsius. So I think that's 11.9. Right, so let's start on the first one. 14.2 is that one, and my y value is 215. So that's about 215. Right. 16.4 is probably this one, and my y value is about 325. Okay. 11.9 is almost 12, so that's the one. My y value is 185, it's almost 200, 185. And then you kind of just keep on doing the same thing for all the points. Put all the points down, and we can see that here we have a positive correlation, because as my temperature increases, my sales also increase. Temperature increases, my temperature increases, my sales also increase. So I have a positive correlation. And since the points are pretty compact, they're very close to each other, it seems like we have a strong correlation. Okay, so now this scatter plot is done. Okay? However, when we are trying to draw the regression line, when we are trying to create the line of best fit, the regression line, I must have the mean of my one variable and the mean of the other variable. I hope you guys know how to calculate the mean. So I'm just going to add them all up, divided by 12, and my mean will be approximately 18.7. Add the cells up, add all the cells up, divided by 12. My mean sales will be 402.4. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put that point down. So 18.7 is almost 19, right? So which is approximately right in the middle of 18 and 20. And my y will be 402.4. So I'm just going to say it's a little bit above 400. So somewhere there. That's my mean. Okay, now make sure you have the mean, because the mean is the point where your line of regression has to pass through. Okay, so when you're drawing the line of regression, you have to make sure that the regression line passes through the mean point. Sorry, the mean point. Okay, the mean point. And also, let's see. So if you have, right now, of course, the line of regression is a sketch, and all of our line of regression is going to be a little bit different. But if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, out of the 12 points, I have 6 above, 1, 2. I only have 2 below, so that's not good. I need to readjust it so that my line of regression not only passes through the mean point, but also I have equal amount of points above and below the regression line. So right now, after adjustment, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's pretty good. So right now, I'm happy with this line of regression. The points above my line of regression and the points below my line of regression are approximately the same. And the line also passes through my mean point. So this is the line of regression I'm going to use. Okay? All right. So from now on, we can calculate the equation. We can calculate the equation of the line of regression. And this is the formula that's going to help us a lot, okay? If you need help with this, please let me know. But this is just simply this point slope form, my equation in point slope form, which we should be able to carry this out. But if you need help, please let me know. In the next video, I'll show you guys how to use your TI-84 to get the equation of this line. But for now, please try to figure out the equation of this regression line, okay? Of course, and this point slope form is going to help you out. Let me know if you need help. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.